Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be trying out this indie brand right here. This is called Makeup Murder. I think the name of the company is really clever. It is an indie brand, and of course you guys know already I love my indie makeup brands. So that is what we're going to use today to create this look. Alright, to start off this look we are going to prime the face. We are going to use Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. It's kind of dry out, so I need the extra moisturizing. And for eye primer, we are going to use Cinema Secrets Pro Eyeshadow Base. This is in a white. Okay, so we're going to use a little concealer from Self Beauty. And we are going to use this a little bit here, and that's just to lighten everything up. For foundation, we are using Beauty Blender. This is Bounce. I've been using this for a little while. This is in shade 130W. We are moving into eyebrows, and we are using the Cream Shop. These are the colors that I am using for my brows. Okay, so now we are moving into the palette, which is, of course, Makeup Murder. You can see right there, Partners in Crime. And I'll show you what the colors look like. These are the colors here that we are working with. I'm going to start out with this one and cover the whole lid with it. So I'm going to use this color right here called Stolen Heart. This is a red color. Kind of has some pinkish undertones, but I'm going to use that kind of in the crease area. Okay, we're going to use this color right here called Cuff Me on this half of the eyelid. Okay, so we're gonna go in with Accomplice on this half of the eyelid. So I'm going to take this color right here, Bad Boy, and darken the crease just a little bit more. So now we're going to do the under eye, and we're going to use these two colors here. This is going to be on the inner corner of the bottom of the eye, and this is going to be on the outer part of the bottom of the eye. So I got this little pigment here. It's technically poison highlighter, but I'm going to actually take some of this here and dust a little bit over my eyelids. Okay, we're going to line, we're going to line the waterline of the eyes with Marc Jacobs in Stiletto. Alright, we're going to line the top of the eyes with this right here. This is Black Hole Lasting. This is a K-Beauty brand, and I absolutely love this liner. It works really great. It is water, I think it's water resistant or waterproof, so it's always great. Okay, so now we're going to do some mascara. We are going to use Marc Jacobs. Okay, so now we're going to do a light dusting of translucent face powder. I don't ever bake. I am over 40, technically 40, but still. I don't like doing heavy baking. I don't like how it looks. It creases up real quickly. The older you get, the more it exaggerates all the things you don't want exaggerated. So I just do a light dusting to really just set what I got going on the face. So now we're going to do some light contouring. I never do anything drastic. I do it very lightly. I don't really have a technique for it. I just really try to give my face some dimension. And I am using Dominique today. And this is what the inside of the palette looks like. And I'm just going to use those very, very lightly. Okay, so now we are doing some blush. Again, I'm still doing it lightly. I just generally like my face to look pretty natural for the most part, maybe in a natural color or something, but still pretty natural looking. So I am using Marc Jacobs blush here. This is it's Air Blush, Lush, and Libido, and those are the colors. For a little highlight, we are using Diamond Dust by Laura Geller. This has got some pretty pink undertones to it, so that is why I'm using it. Alright, for setting spray, we are using Rose Water Setting Spray from Maven Beauty. That is what the bottle looks like. Alright, we are going to do lips now. I'm going to start by lining it. I'm using Private Society Lip Service in shade Lit. This is a really pigmented pink color, but I will be putting a lip color over it, so it's not going to stay this bright. So you can see I didn't fill it in completely. It's going to kind of make my lips look a little bit more full by leaving that part a light white color. So I'm going to use Rude Cosmetics Dream Girl color here. This has a nice pretty pink shimmer shade to it. Now I'm going to use this color right here. This is VCR Static by, what is this by? This is by Nature's Cartel. I'm just going to use a little bit in the center. I just like the dewy feel of it. There we go. There is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you like this look? What do you think of this palette right here? Anyways, that is the end of the video. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.